Unboxing of the Midland HH54 VP2. First, let's look at the front of it.
Let me see. We got information.
And the back.
Information.
Instantly about the
Big barcode.
oops, it fell.
Yep. Yeah,
Hey, at least you got
oh, now we're on the floor. Okay. Do you want me to help with that?
Yeah.
Here. Hold the phone sideways. Sideways, other way. There you go. And I will cut it. Don't get too close, okay? I'll cut it so it opens like a book. Hopefully. I won't cut anything off. Oh, battery's gone. I'll get it. There you go.
So first thing, when you open it, is the batteries.
The batteries.
Press heavy button to wish you good luck and service. The glass cover came off, no problem. It replaces my old one. You know what, Bruce? I will plug it in first. Just look at the front of it. Can you let me unplug one of these?
Yeah, you can pull out this one. I believe this one's not in use, right?
If it is, you go.
I'm what?
Oh,
okay.
Like,
You can just yank it, I guess. Whatever.
I always. Oh, press heavy button to wish good luck and service.
Okay. The buttons all click. Plugging it in.
Midland HH54 VP2.
Okay.
BP. Yes. I would check what version it is so you know, guys.
Is there versions?
What? Version 16.
That's what it said?
What the world?
What does that
I
mean?
was expecting like something version 15. Hey, it's okay.
It means it's a newer version?
No, yeah, version 16.
Oh, you're right.
It's
got the charging stand, right?
Where are the batteries? Let me unplug it one more time.
Do you want me to help you with the battery back? Because I remember last time these Midland ones were a little janky.
No.
Oh, there you go. Maybe it wasn't Midland. Here, you want me to help with that? Because that I remember. Here, let me see. Is there a switch on here that says like
No, help me take
charging?
Help me take off.
Charging. Here, I got it. Here. Oh, there you go.
Oh, we could.
No, honey. Don't push it down. Let me see. Lay it down. Put it here. I'll put it in for you.
The label side down.
Yeah. So I think it goes positive. Which way? Positive like this. See? Jibbity doop. Shibbity deep. Then you put this on.
Like the batteries are dead.
Yeah, put this on.
Got it on phone.
Put that back on, and then we put it in the charger, right? And it'll never have to run out of batteries. How many batteries? How many AA
9
batteries
volts
do you go
is.
through a week, Emmett?
I have no idea.
Like 20?
Hold up. There it is.
You gotta make sure it charges. Let me see. Hey, let me see.
The light is on.
Yeah, that means it's charging.
But
Right?
why the way you're not
Yep.
turning on?
Because the battery's not charged. You have to let it probably charge the battery, bud. Okay, let it charge up. It's just like my power tools, right? They run on batteries, you gotta charge them. Oh, I see, you're bypassing.
Mama, what? Oh, no need to.
That was fairly smart. You bypassed the whole system. But I think you need to charge the batteries. That's just auxiliary supply. Don't you want to charge the batteries? I don't know if that works for charging the batteries. I guess we'll find out, right?
Come on, guys.
It was making a humming noise.
Oh, guys.
Is it over?
9 volts.
Let me see. Yeah, but let me see what it says on the side. It might be, of course, different. It doesn't say. It says... You're right, 9 volts on this one, too.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Take.
Why don't we let the battery charge up on that sucker, bud?
Hold on. This problem.
What are you doing? Why are we taking out the battery pack?
I need to hit the button because it's glistening. This is glistening real quick. So this might be a 5-minute boxing setup.
That's tricky to pull out, hon. You're going to need my help for it. Oh, what's in there? Good. We may need a screwdriver. Do you have your screwdriver?
Why?
Because it's pretty much in there. I think this is holding the button down, right? Emmett, what's the problem? What are you trying to accomplish?
Because it is stuck and not broken.
It's stuck in what?
Mm-mm.
Emmett, don't do that. That might break it. Here, are we done with the video for now?
No. I might need something.
Grab your screwdriver. It's in your screwdriver bag.
What is?
Remember the tool bag?
Where?
Maybe it's in there?
Where? Where?
Open that.
For what?
Your drawer, right there. The drawer. My fingers are ruining your video. And it's one of those bags, right? Isn't one of those bags a tool bag? And we got you a bunch of tools.
Okay.
Let me see.
I think this needs a dozen.
Emmett, video, it's 8 minutes long so far. Good God.
Because.
Why don't we let it charge? I'm going crazy. Oh, I'm just watching him go his process here.
Looks like you're doing a great job, bud.
Yeah. What is he trying to do?
What
are you trying to do, buddy?
What
What do you want it to do?
What happened to the screen?
What screen?
Guys, I don't know what happened, so I'll figure out what happened. So bye, guys.
Okay. Bye, Emmett. Thank you.
Bye.
We'll figure it out.